Welcome to my channel. Today we're designing an electro music festival poster in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, I create a rectangle for the canvas, setting the workspace dimensions to 2480 by 3508 pixels. Next, I head over to the gradient tool, choose a color combination of my choice. Now I drag the image I downloaded onto the canvas and scale it to fit the design properly. Once that's done, I create a layer mask on the image. With the brush tool selected and the color set to black, I gently brush over the bottom edges to remove them and blend the image naturally into the background. I repeat the same process on the top edges. Adjusting the gradient direction this time for better balance. Next, I turn on guides and I start placing them carefully across the canvas. This part can be a bit time-consuming, so flash, fast-forward moment. Alright, I've set all the guides I need. Now I drag the social media icons PNG from my desktop onto the canvas, scale them down, and place them neatly in the top left corner. Then using the text tool, I type www.website.com, position it in the top right corner, and scale it accordingly. Clicking the text tool again, I type funk, choose a font of my choice, and make it bold and big. After that, I create another text layer and write electro music in block letters. Holding Alt, I duplicate the text, change it to festival, scale it, apply a 6-pixel stroke, remove the fill and keep the color white. I select both text layers and scale them down slightly to fit the composition better. Next, I use the rectangle tool to create a small white rectangle. Place it in the center. And scale it down just a bit. Quick flash, fast forward moment. I then add a new text layer and write 7 AUG on the left side of the rectangle. Using Alt again, I duplicate the text, write DJ Sanj in block letters, and place it in the center. Now I draw a rectangle around the DJ name. I click the text tool again, write FEATURING, merge it, and place it on the top side of the rectangle. I make a selection covering most of the featuring text. Rasterize the rectangle layer and use the eraser tool with a large brush to erase part of it, making subtle, clean adjustments. Next, I Alt-drag a copy of the text from the top right corner, move it to the bottom right, and change it to more information. I duplicate it again and place it just below, typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I copy the text once more, move it to the bottom left corner, and write "Doors open at 9 p.m." I duplicate it again, place it below, and type $50 entry. Now I select the festival text layer, open blending options, and apply a drop shadow, adjusting it to my liking. To finish the design, I drag an overlay image from my desktop, set the blending mode to overlay, and lower the opacity. I add another texture overlay, reduce the opacity, apply a mask, select the brush tool with black color, and paint over the areas I want to remove. And just like that, our Electro Music Festival poster is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.